Hi, I am Nancy. Welcome to my balcony. Today I am harvesting salads. What you see now is mustard greens. Did you watch my other video when I planted the mustard seeds? These plants are from those seeds. They are few inches tall now. I am going to make a mixed green salad today, so I thought to pluck some greens from every salad plants I have. I have different colored little chard, different types of lettuce, parsley, mint, and some other greens too. Here you see red chard, yellow chard, and green chard. I decided to pluck more mustard greens from these little pots. Mustards are growing very slow as it's still beginning of spring. In India it grows really fast. Can you believe they are more than 1 month old? They are very little. I got this much. I'm happy. And these are mustards too. I am leaving it for next week. I took a piece of mint. Mint add a great flavor to my salads. I am plucking some chard leaves too. I removed the dying leaves of that red chard. I hope it will save him. I have some salads in this vegetable crate too. These all are from kitchen scrap. They need more time. I got some parsley. And I took some salad from that vegetable crate too. We made a salad and added some tomato as well. I forgot to take a video. All the planters I am using in this garden are free. For example, this one I got free from the garden store. They usually use it to carry pots from one place to the other. Anyway, they didn't need it anymore. I got like 20 of them. They are not really planters, but it doesn't matter. It served the purpose. I hope I inspired you to grow some greens. Thank you for watching my video. If you like to watch my videos, please subscribe and follow my channel.